Okay, leading newspaper TOI has gathered the data of its number of readers in four consecutive months of 2025, that is July, August, September, and October. Some of the readers continue with TOI for more than 1 month, but everyone read it at least in 1 month. Okay. Also, no reader who read TOI in October read it in any other month. Further, it is known that the number of readers who read TOI in exactly two consecutive months is 1 by 5. So, before coming to the points, what we have understood by what the question is telling you, that there is a newspaper that is obviously Times of India, right? And what they have done, they have gathered the data, number of people or number of readers, TOI, number of people who are reading the newspaper TOI, right? Now, one point what they have mentioned, we have 4 months. That is July, August, September, and October, right? One thing, if you notice, it is mentioning this thing out, right? Number of readers who read TOI in exactly two consecutive months, or two consecutive months mean July, August, September, September, October, right? So when they are talking about this particular thing, that the reader who are reading in July, they might read in August, they might read in September, they might read in October as well, right? So you would have understood this is a question of set diagram, right? Venn diagram, right? So we have 4 months. So total, how many boxes we will be having? Four. I'm drawing the Venn diagram here for the four part. Right, fine. So let us consider this for July, this for August, this one for September, and this one for October, right? Fine. If you read one thing, they have said no reader who read TOI in October, right? For example, the person, if I'm talking about uh October, right? October is which one? This this full circle, this one, right? Fine. This full one is of October, right? What is mentioning? No reader who read TOI in October read it in any other month. What do you mean to say? That the people who is reading in October, right? So he'll be only reading in October. So what do we need to do? October, for example, let's suppose we are assuming for the October a variable, right? So any box, right, which is combined with other one, for example, October, July. If I talk about this one, right? This one is for what? This one for October, July, September, right? So this will automatically become what? Zero. Because other than October, wherever you are going, right? Hello, which is mixed with October, that would be zero. So this will be zero, 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 this will be zero. The one which is only October, this particular data, right? That we gonna consider it as what? Any variable, right? Now let us put the variable for others. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and this one is H. Only October is H, right? Now, next step would be what? To write the equations. Now, read the first one. The number of reader who read TOI in exactly two consecutive months. Now, from this particular data, TOI in two consecutive months means what? Either July, August, hello, or August, September, hello. Because September, October will be how much? Zero. Hello. Hello. Right. Now tell me, TOI in July and August is how much? If I'm talking about TOI in July and August, that will be how much? D. Hello. Santosh.
Yeah.
You are able to
Uh,
understand why we have kept zero.
yes, because there won't be, I mean, any readers in October, so that's the reason we have
Other
zero.
than mixed with October, right? Fine. Now he's
Yes,
saying
yes, yes.
exactly two consecutive months. Fine.
Mm-hmm.
Hello.
Yeah.
right? So two
Yeah.
consecutive months means July, August, and August, September, right?
Mm.
For July, August,
Yeah.
which one is combined? This one, D, right? August, September is which one? E.
Yeah.
Hello, right? So can I write D plus E would be what? It is telling 1 by 5th of the number of reader who exactly in 1 month. The 1 month is B, F, G, and H, right? So it would be how much? Clear? Statement 1 is clear, bro, in term of equation, right? Now, the number of reader who read it in at least two consecutive months is 50. At least two consecutive months.
डाउट है
हाँ,
सर, खाली बी और डी क्यों किया आपने? मतलब आपने
मैंने
खुद
बी का
ही
डी एंड ई लिया ना, कॉन्जिक्यूटिव मंथ कह रहा है ना, तो कॉन्जिक्यूटिव मंथ तो जुलाई अगस्त है ना सिर्फ।
जुलाई अगस्त, ओके, और अगस्त सितंबर भी ना?
लिया तो है ई।
तो सितंबर, हाँ ठीक है, सितंबर अक्टूबर नहीं लेंगे, बट वो तो जीरो है, ठीक है,
वो
ओके।
तो जीरो है ना, वो क्यों लूंगा? व्हाट, व्हाई आई टेक दैट, राइट? नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन इज व्हाट? द नंबर ऑफ रीडर हु रीड इन at least two consecutive months. At least two consecutive month means minimum 2 months, right? So it might be 2 months as well as 3 months. 4 month would not be possible. Hello, right?
Mm.
By when he's saying
Yeah.
at least consecutive months, what it means? Two consecutive months at least means it can be at least two consecutive months or at least three consecutive months. Hello, right? So what are you gonna take? July, August, August, September, July, August, and September. Hello. So July, August, and September is how much? See, July and August was how much? D plus E. This is how much? 50. Hello. Clear?
I yeah, I don't understand. I mean, can you repeat? I also I don't know how we draw Venn diagram and plot these points.
See, obviously you need four data, right? So for four data, this is the method to draw. Like
Mm.
you have to mention July with August. So July with August is
Mm.
here. July with September. So July is September is here. July with October. July is October is here, right? Like that.
Mm. Mm.
And which
Okay.
point you were telling?
The second one, I mean the C plus
Read.
D plus E is equal to
Read the
50.
second one. Read it for me.
The number of readers who read it in at least two consecutive months is 50.
At least is two consecutive months, right? At least two. So at least means two means it would
It can
include
be July,
three,
August.
three consecutive months as well, na?
Yeah, yeah.
At least will include three as well as four. Four is zero because no one is reading in
Yes.
all the four, including October. Right now, you're left with three options. One is July, August,
Mm.
August, September, July, August, September. So July, August
Mm.
is this one. August,
Okay.
September is this one. July, August, September, July, August, September, which is the combination of this. See,
Mm. Okay. Got it.
now, fourth one. Sorry, third one. The number of reader who read it in July but not in August is 20. Who read in July but not in August? Hello. So July is what would be the A plus B is 20. Hello. By July, if I am asking only, if I am asking July for July, tell me the readers for July. So what do you want to tell? So B plus D plus A plus C, right? Hello. Fine. But he's saying not in August. So August you need to remove. So D and C is of August, na? C is for August, September, right? So August is zero. So C would be zero. Similarly, D would be zero. Right. So what you'll be getting? A plus B as 20. Hello. Here. Ah. This thing is clear. Now, fourth one. The sum of the numbers, the sum of the number of the reader who read it in July only and August only is equal to the sum of the reader who read in September only and October. Yeah. Santosh, can you tell how we'll write this in equation? 4 point.
July, August.
Only July.
Um,
Read it. Only July. Only July is what? B?
yeah, B.
No.
And
F.
August is D. Yeah.
No. July, August, na? B plus F. Yes. That is equal to what?
Okay.
G plus?
That is 20. G.
G plus H.
Okay. There is September, October. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
Clear? One
Yes.
equation will be
Yes.
this.
Yes.
Fine.
Mm.
And now what we have? कितने equation है इसमें? बाप रे. Fifth. 42 readers read it in July. So July is what? A, B, C, D, right? A plus B plus C plus D is how much? 42, right? Huh? Clear? Aarti, clear? Clear.
हाँ सर।
सर ये जो ये वाला है, आपने जिसके पहले वाला किया, रीडर्स ओनली रीड इन सितंबर एंड ओनली इन अक्टूबर, तो उसमें हमने ये एच भी लिया ना?
हाँ, obviously. Only October कह रहा तो only
Yeah.
October is H ना.
ठीक है ठीक है ठीक
So I have
है,
written
ओके।
it ना. B plus
हाँ
F that is equal to G plus H.
ठीक है।
Right. Fine. Now let us read the sixth one. The number of readers who read in only October is twice of those who read it in only July, right? What does it mean? That H is 2B, hello,
Mm.
right? And the next one, which in turn is not less than half those who read it only September. So B is greater than equal to G by 2. Hello. Hello.
Yeah.
Right? अरे वही तो what is saying you? The number of readers who read it in only October is twice those who read in only July, right? So October is H, that is twice who read in July. So H is equal to 2B, only July is B. Hello. Right? And the next thing what he's saying, July of July, which in turn is not less than half of those who read in only September. Hello. So what it would be? Either equal or greater. That's what I have written. B is greater than equal to. Only September is what? G. So G by 2. Hello. This thing is clear. Hello.
यस सर।
Fine. And what is the last statement? What do we have? 140 people read in exactly 1 month. Exactly 1 month. So 140 would be what? B, G, F, H. Hello. That would be equal to 140. All the equations are clear. Hello. Hello. Santosh.
Yeah. Yes.
Right, because I'm now writing it out in an equation format because I need to solve, right? Fine. That's why I'm
Mm.
writing it here.
Okay.
कार्तिक हो गया था यहाँ तक सारे इक्वेशंस?
हाँ सारे इक्वेशन सही है।
सही है ना? फिर आंसर वुड बी राइट मोस्ट प्रोबेबली if you have not done the calculation mistake. Isha, where you stuck in this? And
सर
Sahil?
ये सेवेंथ वाला कैसे आपका? सॉरी, मैं सब बाकी समझ रही थी। 140 पीपल रीड इन एग्जैक्टली 1 मंथ,
हाँ, तो 1 month means what? B,
तो बी एफ
G, H.
वही ना? तो वो तो
हाँ, 140
इक्वल
है.
था ना?
वो तो
बी
हाफ
प्लस एफ
टाइम्स था ना,
इक्वल
तो
टू
D plus E you will be getting ना. First equation was D plus E that is equal to 1 by
नहीं नहीं
5
सर,
times.
फोर्थ इक्वेशन देखो, फोर्थ इक्वेशन देखो, ठीक है? फोर्थ इक्वेशन में आपने बोला बी प्लस एफ इक्वल टू जी प्लस एच,
हाँ, तो वो
ठीक है?
70-70 आ जाएगा, उसके अलावा क्या आएगा? कुछ
हाँ
नहीं
वही
आएगा
था
ना.
ना, मैं थोड़ा कंफ्यूज हो
हाँ,
गई उस वजह से। ओके
बी
ओके, समझ
एफ
गया।
बी प्लस जी प्लस एच, राइट.
नहीं नहीं,
सेकेंड
वो नहीं,
इक्वेशन वॉज
एच नहीं आएगा सर फर्स्ट
सी
वाले में।
प्लस डी प्लस ई. क्यों नहीं आएगा?
नहीं आएगा।
क्यों नहीं आएगा?
आएगा आएगा।
क्या बात कर
आएगा।
रहे हैं यार, ये कहाँ से आ रहे हो? एग्जैक्टली 1 मंथ लिखा है, तो
ओके,
एग्जैक्टली 1 मंथ में एच नहीं आएगा क्या?
आगे आएगा आएगा।
C plus D plus E is equal to 50. Third, from third, we A plus B was
20।
20. From fourth, we had क्या था हमारे पास? B plus F was equal to
जी
G
प्लस
plus
एच।
H. Right. Fine.
हाँ,
Then
फिफ्थ वाला ए
from
प्लस बी प्लस सी प्लस डी इक्वल टू 42।
A plus B plus C plus D,
डी इक्वल
that
टू
is equal
42।
to 42. Right. Then we have
सिक्स,
sixth one. Sixth
एच इज
was
इक्वल टू
H
टू
is
बी।
equal to 2B, and the other one was B is greater than G by 2. And the seventh one was B plus G plus F plus H was 140, right?
140।
Now, if you notice this value, you know 140? Hello, right? So D plus E would be how much? D plus E कितना हो जाएगा? Hello, what would be D plus E?
28.
28. Fine. If you substitute D plus E here in the second equation, will you be able to find C?
Yes.
Hello. C would be how much?
22.
Right. Now we know these two are equal. So can I tell B plus F that is equal to G plus H is equal to 70? Hmm. Right. Hello. Hello.
Yes.
Now we have A plus B plus C plus D is 42. A plus B plus C is 42. A plus B is 20, right? Hello. Hello. Substitute here. A plus B as 20. Then C was how much? 22. This equation, right? 22 plus D is equal to what? 42. What are you getting D as?
0.
0. Hello. Hello. Till here it's clear to everyone. Hello.
हाँ सब क्लियर।
Right. Okay. You have C. You have D. Can you find D? Ah. You have C. You have D. Can you find D? C
Yes.
was 22. D was 0. So
28.
E would be what?
28.
28. Hello. Till here it's clear to everyone. Santosh.
हाँ
Yeah.
Fine. I'm just filling it out, right? I'm filling the value.
हाँ.
D कितना आया था? We had D as
0.
0. What about E?
28.
28, right?
C 22.
Varun, you were able to solve this one.
ये वाला अटेम्प्ट नहीं किया सर मैंने, बाकी दोनों कर दिए हैं।
22, 28, right? 22. साहिल 22. और वैल्यू कोई नहीं है ना हमारे पास? हेलो.
नहीं,
ठीक है.
3 ही आई ना अभी तक।
हाँ ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है, फाइन. तो लेट अस सॉल्व. First question is what exactly it is asking you. What is the minimum possible number of reader who read it in only August, right? So what exactly is asking you?
एफ।
Value of F. Hello. F, so we don't have anything about F, right? I'm just erasing it and I'm just writing it out. यहाँ मेरे पास F है. I'm using that. Then I have this one, right? Fine. A plus B was 20. है ना? Okay. What is the minimum possible people who read in only August? Minimum to August, right? So August is F. Okay. Okay, fine. We had one equation. B plus F was how much?
17.
70. Right. Now tell me one thing. If I had to minimize F, so for B, what I need to do? Maximize? Hello. F has to be minimized, right? So what do you need to do for B? Hello. You need to
Maximum.
maximize it. Hello. Hello. Right.
हाँ
Now,
सर
how you wanna maximize B? How A plus B was how much? 20. Hello. Hello. A
हाँ
plus B was 20 na. I need to maximize this B. Right. Hello. Fine. So what I had to do for A? I had to maximize B. What I need to do for A? Minimize. Hello. Hello. For A, what do you need to
Yes,
do?
sir.
Minimize. What can be the minimum value of A? 0. You cannot have negative. Hello.
0 नहीं हो सकता ना.
क्यों नहीं हो सकता?
F is equals to 2A दिया है एंड यहाँ पे लिखा है बट
हाँ तो
एवरीवन रीड्स इन एटलीस्ट 1 मंथ. अगर
हाँ
A
तो
0 कर
एटलीस्ट 1
दोगे
मंथ
तो
है ना. बी एफ है ना. ए जीरो कर दिया तो क्या हुआ? जुलाई जीरो नहीं हुआ ना.
अरे नहीं. B
जुलाई
is
एंड
equals to
सितंबर का
2H है
जीरो
ना.
आया ना.
B is
तो
equals to
उससे
2H
क्या
भी तो
मतलब
है.
होता है? तो क्या हुआ? बी इज इक्वल टू 2h है ना. एफ से क्या लिंक्ड है? आई एम नॉट गेटिंग.
सॉरी वही तो कह रहा हूँ. अच्छा ठीक है ओके सॉरी.
क्या कुछ भी मतलब
तो आप
इलॉजिकल
कह रहे हो
बात करना
अक्टूबर में
जरूरी
भी
है.
0 हो
अच्छा आप
जाएगा
A को 0 करो. सॉरी सॉरी हाँ सॉरी.
ऑब्वियसली आई
ओहो
हैड टू. भाई ए प्लस बी इज 20, राइट?
मैं
I had
मेरे
to
वेरिएबल्स
maximize
को
B.
मैं हाँ हाँ अंडरस्टूड अंडरस्टूड करेक्ट. हाँ सही सही सॉरी
I had to
सॉरी.
maximize B. Right. To maximize B, I had to minimize A. What he is
या
mentioning, everyone at least 1 month, right? So 1 month, July, B cannot be 0, F cannot be 0, G cannot be 0, H cannot be 0, right? But the combination can be 0, na? Hello.
या सॉरी सॉरी यस.
So B would be what?
20
20. Now you have B as 20. Can you get the value of F? That would be what? 50. Hello. Hello. Understood? Hello.
हाँ
Santosh.
Yeah.
Sahil.
हाँ हाँ
साहिल.
हाँ हाँ समझा.
क्या नाम था? कमल.
जी सर.
क्लियर?
यस सर.
वरुण.
हाँ सर हाँ.
Right. Now next two questions you guys can try. Hello. Hello. हाँ. Next two we can try. I will tell you the answers.
आंसर्स बता दो ना एक बार.
Second का I have two
ठीक है मैं गलत हो गया.
and third one is 22.
सेकंड गलत है बस. आई विल चेक इट वंस.
22 है ना सर क्वेश्चन 3 का
हाँ. हाँ.
ओके
Hello. Now you can try ना. Rest two maximum करना है minimum करना है. Just try it out from your end. नहीं होगा तो I'll do it tomorrow. Hello. Hello.
ओके
Clear? Santosh. This set is clear.
Yeah. Yeah.
Understood? How we are
Yes.
maximizing, how we are minimizing rate. You understood
Yeah.
now why we had put A as 0? Why we can put A as 0? Because they have mentioned clearly कि everyone reads in at least 1 month, right? So at least 1 month means B would be 1, at least 1, G F can be 1. If I had to minimize the value of B, right? That I can minimize as 1. But for the A, for the other one, right, we can minimize it to 0.
Yeah.
चलिए. हेलो. क्लियर?
सर
राइट.
2 कैसे आया
हाँ.
what is
क्या?
bus में? नहीं नहीं कुछ नहीं कल ही डिस्कस करते हैं ठीक है
मैं जानता हूँ ना. लाइक अभी फिर से मैं आई वोंट बी ड्राइंग अगेन, राइट? आई एम सेइंग जस्ट ट्राई इट आउट. हाँ यार आरती, यू गॉट द राइट आंसर्स फॉर ऑल थ्री.
हाँ सर मेरे ठीक थे.
तीनों.
हाँ ये तीनों ठीक थे.
सीख ले कार्तिक, learn something. She joined us 3 days back.
चलिए बाकी दो नहीं हुए.
नहीं उससे भी नहीं हुए हैं,
बाकी दो
उससे भी नहीं
नहीं
हुए.
थे
Even he
बिल्कुल.
was not able to solve. That's why I'm comparing.
दो तो सही हुए ना.
दो, इसके 3 सही हुए भाई. She did 3 correct.
अरे ये सेकंड वाले में ई ही लिया ना आंसर.
Sorry? E?
जो सेकंड क्वेश्चन था अभी,
हाँ
मैक्सिमम ये क्या कहाँ गया.
भाई, I
अच्छा
don't know that you guys need to try, right? ठीक है, उसमें E नहीं है, I guess. टेबल से C आना चाहिए ना.
अच्छा इन्हें ठीक है ओके.
नहीं नहीं
मैं
नहीं नहीं,
ट्राई
सॉरी
करती हूँ.
सॉरी सॉरी. व्हाट यू टॉकिंग अबाउट, मेरे को समझा नहीं कौन सा कह रहे हो. उसमें थोड़ा सॉल्व करना पड़ेगा. नीड टू सॉल्व इन दैट, राइट? ट्राई कर लेना, नहीं होगा फिर
ओके
आई डू
ओके
इट. ठीक
ठीक
है.
है.
लेट अस कम टू द थर्ड वन. थर्ड वन, एनीवन हु वांट टू चेक हिज और हर आंसर्स?
हाँ सर मुझे चेक करना है.
बता दो, यू टेल मी. फर्स्ट वन.
फर्स्ट इज 363
करेक्ट. नो नो
और
नो, रॉन्ग 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 रॉन्ग. 98. संदीप है ना? हाँ
98.
ठीक है. हाँ.
ओके और हाउ मेनी फ्रेंड्स कैन द अमाउंट बी डिटरमाइंड
4.
यूनिकली ऑल.
4.
अच्छा तो मेरा ही गलत है. ओके सर
थर्ड.
व्हाट इज द
It
डिफरेंस
is
बिटवीन
4 and
रवि
not
एंड
all,
टीना.
sir.
331.
हाँ
125.
So how
यस
is it like?
125. सॉरी.
The second
थर्ड
one,
का
how
क्या
is
है
it?
सर.
Because rest only 4 you will be able to find right answer. That's why.
Yes.
Rest you won't be able to do. That's why. I had to solve it. Obviously, I'll be solving it. I'm just saying. Huh? What are you telling, Isha?
लास्ट का क्या है सर.
125.
हाँ वो भी गलत है.
That is right.
नहीं गलत है
Yes.
गलत है.
Yes, sir.
कौन? कमल, for you.
हाँ जी.
So Varun or Isha, they have did the same mistake. Let's find out what you guys did in this. Okay. Sixth friend, Praneet, Qureshi, Ravi, Sandeep, Tina, and Umil went to Apple City from India. Sorry? Okay, fine. Apple City. I saw Apple City, New York now. Okay, fine. Anyways. And exchange their currency at Apple City Airport. The denomination of currency asked by all friends PQR, STU were 2, 3, 7, 11. Okay. And 11, 13, 17. Each friend exchanged his respective currency in one denomination only and could have spent it in any denomination based on the change she received from a shopkeeper during his shopping. The amount spent by them in the Apple City were 238. Okay. While returning to India, they exchanged their remaining money in Indian currency and received the amount of this. Further, the dollar exchange rate is rupees 60 per dollar. Fine. Okay. Now, I'm considering the friend as let's suppose PQRST. Okay. PQRSTUV. Right. Sorry, TU. Sorry. Now, initially they have in what denomination? Hello. For P it was what? $2.
2,
For Q,
3,
$3. For this one, 7, 11, 13, and 17. Right, dollars. Right. Now, what else you know? Amount spent by them, right? That is how much?
238, 171, 98, 429, 296, 363.
पता है, सॉरी हाँ. द वे ईशा डोला कि बहुत इजी था, बहुत इजी था. डोंट
अरे
माइंड
नहीं
ईशा, राइट?
मैंने
आई एम जस्ट.
मुझे समझ
नहीं
गया मैंने
नहीं,
क्या
डोंट.
गलती करी है.
नहीं, डोंट माइंड,
मैंने
डोंट माइंड,
बहुत
राइट? Don't mind. See,
शॉर्टकट
I'm
ले
just
लिया
telling
मैंने.
to Karthik, right? I'm just having a conversation, right? Karthik, I remind of yours, last set. Last set, I will do all the three. I missed one case. I just filled the table and all the answer is right. Hello. Till here it's clear to everyone.
Yes.
Hello. Now, tell me one thing. The remaining money with them in Indian currency was how much? 360,
50,
420,
420.
600, 720, 840, and 540, right? Now I need to convert it in dollar because obviously that would be only possibility, right? So I'll convert it in dollar. So what I'll be having 60 per dollar means 360 will be how much?
6,
$6, 7, 10,
10,
then 12,
12, 14, 9.
49, 9, right? Fine. Right? Hello. Now
Yeah.
total amount would be how much? Sum of the amount they spent,
Plus
right?
remaining.
Plus remaining amount. Hello. With any one of them. Hello. Right. Now tell me one thing. R has initially spent in what denomination? 7.
7.
Right. So the amount would be what? It should be multiple of 7.
हाँ
Hello. Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
correct.
Right. Fine. Multiple of 7. Huh. 232 plus 7. Hello. Hello. Hello.
2.
238 plus 7. Sorry. What are you getting? 245. Hello. Arey bhai,
Yeah.
ye out of this, which one is multiple of 7? Tell me one thing first. I'm just able to see 238. Hello. Hello.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes.
Right. Only 238, right? So for
Mm.
R, what I'll be having? $7. Hello. 238 and remaining amount 7. So total would be how much? 245.
Yes.
Hello. Shantosh. This
Yes.
thing is
Yes.
clear, bro.
I got it, but yeah, I've done the multiplication, wrong. Yeah, I got it.
Okay, fine. Fine. Okay. Now let me explain to Varun. Varun, 2 के लिए what you got for 2?
So amount spent.
Both.
The amount spent I took as 296.
296 for 2
हाँ
denomination.
आई थिंक हम लोग ने क्या किया पता है हम लोग ने
Oh,
ना
bhai, how you take
हमने
296?
एक्सपेंसेस
If you
को
take
ही मल्टीप्लाई
296, just a second, let me clear him out now. First, एक मिनट दे दो, हाँ, ठीक है. If I take 296, hello, fine. If you're gonna divide
हाँ
it by 2, what you gonna add to it? Hello. You need to do, if you're taking 296, bro, by 17 से भी तो हो रहा है ना? How you miss that?
हाँ
Hello.
okay yeah
Hello.
yeah sir yes
What?
sir
Right. It is divided by 17, na? Plus if you add 10 to it, you will be getting 306. That is also divided by 17, na, bro? Hello.
yes sir.
What? Clear?
हाँ
Isha,
हाँ
समझा? What you went wrong with you guys? Hello.
हाँ
Karthik.
मैंने ये सोच लिया था, ये तरीका मेरा लास्ट ऑप्शन यही था, बट हर एक का डिवाइड कर नहीं रहा था मैं बैठ के। मैंने क्या किया, पहले 3 किया, उसमें 17 ढूंढा था, नहीं मिला तो सोचा शायद गलती कर रहा होगा।
हाँ, मेरे को तो डायरेक्ट दिख गया ना, है ना? एक ही दिख रहा है इसमें 296 वाला, साफ साफ। 17 का टेबल नहीं पढ़ा क्या बचपन में कभी?
अरे तो 296 डिवाइडेड बाय 17 17.4 होता है ना।
17.4 कैसे होगा?
296 डिवाइडेड बाय 17 17.4 आता है।
तो अबे पागल आदमी, 0.4 क्यों ले रहा है? हेलो, 7 आ रहा है ना
अच्छा वैसे
रिमाइंडर?
बोल रहे हो। अच्छा मैं कैलसी में कर रहा था, तो 17.4 देख के छोड़ दिया मैंने।
व्हाट अ डम। आई एम
रिमाइंडर
डिवाइडिंग
लेके
विद
नहीं करता।
17, मेरे पास 7 रिमाइंडर आ रहा है, राइट? हेलो, if I need 10, if I add 10 that has been mentioned here, right, would not I get the multiple of 17? Hello.
हाँ हाँ वो मैं समझ गया, वो मैं लाइक यही मैं लास्ट ऑप्शन नहीं था बट इट वाज लेंथी, सो आई थॉट कि आप देख लूंगा आपसे जब पता लग जाएगा, इसलिए छोड़ा मैंने। ये मैं चालू कर दिया था सॉल्व करना, सो आई अंडरस्टूड व्हाट आई हैपेंड नाउ।
Right. For 2, what will be having?
98।
171 plus 171 में 9 ऐड कर दो। हेलो हेलो,
हम्म